New energy vehicle maintenance, covering Tesla, Ni-Dio, XPeng, BYD, Geely, Volkswagen and other new EVs. We've established 10 teaching systems, 80 training devices, and online video courses, including wall-mounted training systems that visually show how battery packs, motors, and controllers work. And drive motors, the 3 core electric components. The RISC control system integrates power batteries, drive motors, charging systems, vehicle electronics, automatic AC, and power steering in 6 connected modules, equipped with intelligent remote fault assessment and 74 core component module boxes. Scan the QR code to access video courses. Learn theories in class, diagnose faults in practice. The training platform has 6 modules for flexible assembly and individual component study. Then, integrated system training with in-depth analysis of bare chassis, making all parts visible while in motion. Seamlessly connected to wall-mounted teaching aids, the training vehicle's dynamic chassis testing simulates various driving conditions, collecting real-time 3 electric system data while interacting with all teaching equipment, enabling coordinated operation with 260 configurable faults, fully compliant with national competition standards, officially designated equipment for MOE, Missouri HRSS, and industry skill competitions. Current online courses cover power battery, high voltage distribution, AC-DC charging, drive motor controller, vehicle control, electric air conditioning, and other systems. A 100 lesson course with 15 days of offline training covering power battery disassembly and repair, drive motor installation, remote offline diagnostics, hands-on practice for 32 tasks, including AC maintenance,